Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. This is to teach you and train you to be able to hold a handstand in the middle of the room. If you're a beginner, you can't hold a handstand, you have no idea what you're doing, this is the only video you're going to need to practice in order to be able to hold your handstand in the middle of the room. The two most important parts of a handstand are going into the handstand and then coming out of the handstand, because everything else is just in the handstand still balanced on your hands. Three things you'll need is a wall, hard floor, and your cell phone that has the timer just like this on here. Let's get started. So take your timer, put it about 3 inches from the wall, place your hands right next to it, take one leg back, one knee's bent. So you have it here, it goes 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm up, 1, 2, 3. The same leg just falls down, 1, 2, 3, up, 1, 2, 3, down, 1, 2, 3, up, 1, 2, 3, down, 1, 2, 3, and stand up. You'll start the timer over. That's one set. And we'll take a 30-second rest. So it's like a 30-second basically exercise and a 30-second rest, just so we can try to keep this practice under, 30, 45 minutes, especially if you're a beginner. That's all you really need to do. Somewhere between maybe 8 and 12 sets, and that's it. And at 30 seconds, we will start. The first one that you just did might suck, might be terrible. Maybe you didn't get up. Maybe you put a hole in your wall. I don't know. But that's 30 seconds. Let's go again. Don't worry about that. Don't worry if you're doing anything totally right. You just keep going. Here we go again. Hands down. I like to start with my left foot back. Up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And bring yourself up. Restart the clock. That's 2 sets. This is called a scissor entry exit. Yeah, we're using the wall, so we don't have to worry about balancing. All we're trying to do is get the consistency and comfort of swinging ourselves up and bringing ourselves down. So that's our second set. We'll do one more set, starting in about 20 seconds. Yeah, you can stretch in between the sets. I like to just kind of sit and do nothing, honestly, because you have to rest. So let your muscles recharge. Here we go, another one. Last one for this one. Step back, up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. 30 seconds, right on the money. Done. Okay, that's 3 sets of the scissor entry exit, and then the second thing we're gonna do is the tuck entry exit. And I'll demonstrate how to do that, and you can do it along with me. Like all the mechanics and all these different things of, oh my gosh, should my hands be this close to the wall, or should I do this, or should I do that? How wide should my hands be? All that is honestly just kind of a waste of time to even talk about. You just kind of see like, okay, have your phone's on the floor, have a wall. Okay, what's the exercise we're doing? This is what it looks like. Boom, boom, boom. 3 seconds, just the parts that matter. Instead of talking about all this stuff, it's doing and being in the action and doing the training, and the results come from that. Here we go. The tuck entry exit now. This time you start with your feet just right underneath your butt and going through a tuck position to come up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, and 3. So obviously, like maybe you're hitting the wall super hard, try not to put a hole in it, but or your butt's really flat or it's huge, I don't know. It's going to depend on how close your hands are to the wall. Restart the timer always once you're finished. Very important. And yeah, so I've been working with people for years. Over time, it's just these are don't expect to do all three of these the first time. Maybe you barely could do one of them, and that's great. It's just takes a long time to get used to this stuff because to think about it when you're a baby, how long it takes to walk on your feet. We're trying to walk on our hands basically, which is totally not normal. Let's go again. So this is our 4 set. Second of the tuck. Hands down, bend the knees. Up. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Release. So that's our 4 set. We'll do one more of those. Whether the wall's here or not, whether your feet hit the wall or they don't, it doesn't really matter. If you practice here with the wall, doing these handstands, over time, you won't even use the wall. Like on that last rep, I didn't touch the wall at all because you're far enough away to where it only keeps you from falling over and going past the straight line. It doesn't do anything but that. So the better you get with your line being straight and getting into the position, the less you're going to touch the wall. And that's, there's no point to even really try to do it in the middle of the room, honestly. Okay, so that was our 4th or 5th set. Fourth? No, I think it was a 5th. Okay, let's just move on to the next exercise. I think that was actually 6th. All right, so now it's a straddle, entry exit. Same position as the tuck, except here the hips are way back, and you're jumping up, swooping the legs together. 2, 3, and then the legs just open and fall. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So we have 2 more sets of those. By the way, I've done, no joke, these probably about 1,000,000 times, at least 500,000 times of doing these exact things. So when I first started to now, like totally different. Expect to suck for like months and to be all rigid, like your legs shake when you come up, or really slow and then fast and terrible. That's just part of the journey. It's part of the journey. And that's the best part. And you don't know it's the best part until you're far along the journey. Okay, so let's do another one. Hands down. Bend the knees. And up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Boom. Okay, we have one more set of those. I believe we have done 8 sets total. All warmed up. So yeah, we have one more of those to do. If you have any questions about what we're doing here, feel free to leave a comment or there what you question you might have. I'll answer it for you. Okay, last one. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. And up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That was a crappy set. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Down. All right. Now we're done with the entries and exits. Whew, a little lightheaded. Feels good though. Now we're gonna do a chest to wall. So 2 more exercises and we're done. Right? So that's 9 sets so far. And then we have 2 more sets, which will be 11. And for as a beginner, I would say that's plenty. Okay, here we go. I'm going to try to hold this one for 45 seconds. The only things that are touching the wall are your toenails and your nipples. So the phone, you're going to start the timer, put it about 4 inches from the wall. Take your hands down, walk your feet up the wall, walk the hands towards the wall. Here we go. Toenails are going to touch the wall, nipples will touch the wall, and squeeze your butt, tummy in, holding here 20 more seconds. Push, 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 push. The harder you push down, the more you get the legs, like the toes up the wall, just the easier your handstand will get. Last 5 seconds. You just hold it as kind of anywhere from 30 to 45 seconds as a beginner. I feel like it's really, really good. And then let's come down. Walk the hands forward, feet forward. Maybe you fall down and smash your foot. I don't know. I've done that many times, but it's all part of the journey. So the amount of time that you're up here for, whether it was 20 seconds, 45 seconds, you'll do the same, matching it and resting. After every set, I usually rest 1 to 2 minutes, whether the set's 50 seconds or 3 minutes long. And then this last exercise we're going to do is going to be similar to the first one that we did. But once we get up there, we will hold it. Yeah, here we go. So same thing. Up we go. And now we're going to hold here for as long as you could possibly hold the handstand. As a beginner, I would say try to get to 20 to 45 seconds. And keep your feet on the wall. Don't try and take your feet off 1 foot at a time. We're not doing that. We're just trying to hold and build our endurance and our strength here. Let's hold it for 10 more seconds. Think about it. You're doing this and trying to fall down and you're falling down. I'm still here. We're still on the wall holding it while you're playing around. Come on down. Trying to find this balancing stuff and just wasting a lot of time and energy. There we go. That's it. That's 11 sets. That'll be plenty for your handstand practice as a beginner. I would encourage you to do this video like 3 to 5 days a week. And anywhere from 2 weeks to a few months, you're going to notice your handstands like crazy better. Much better than just trying to do different things on your own or jumping from one teacher to another teacher. Trust me, this video right here will work for you. It's worked well for me. I've been doing handstands for 15 years or longer. In the last 4 years, I've gotten way better than I did in the other 11 years before that. Make sure to leave a comment if you like this video, you have any questions. And if you're ready to maybe go to the next level, let me know. I'll make another video for that. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video, and hit the notification bell for every video I upload. Have a good rest of your day, your week, your weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.